He's really into the tomatoes.
We say something? I don't know what the protocol is here, man.
Oh. Larry, those are someone's sunflowers. Or someone's sunflowers. Larry, dude, you gotta chill.
I think he's having a good time.
Is that an elephant? Yeah. His name's Larry. He's usually pretty chill. But
Is that a...
he sees the pond.
Oh, no.
Yeah.
I think he just wanted some vegetables.
I was gonna enter those tomatoes in the county fair. They were heirlooms.
So, do we call someone or?
You've reached animal control. If this is an emergency, Larry found the compost bin.